guys, welcome back. I am super excited. Today we are going to be building my new 2023 Canyon Torque. I'm excited to show you guys the new colorway. This one, I feel like the color suits me a little bit better, so let's get to it. Let's build her up. Should I drop it before I even ride it? Okay, I have no idea how this is supposed to go though. We can do this. Guys, I need a bike stand. Actually, no, we don't need a bike stand because everybody can do this at home, including me. My next investment is going to be a torque wrench. I have literally snapped so many bolts because I don't have a freaking torque wrench. Ignore all of the plastic on the floor. What do you think? It's a nice color, huh? Made it up to Mountain Creek Bike Park up in, I don't even know where we are. I think we're in New Jersey or New York or something. I don't know, I woke up and we were here. First laps on the new Torque. Excited to see how this thing rides. It's so pretty. I'm so excited. This is seriously the craziest lift I've ever seen. Oh my God! That was sick. The phantom drop. So crazy. You have to go so slow. Like, I will probably still land flat. Made it to Mountain Bike Park Creek, or Mountain Creek. New bike day is going well. Oopsies.